Hi and welcome to Web 2 Design Tutorials, and today I'm going to do a little tutorial about symmetry within XHTML. Explain a little bit about it. As you can see, I've got a basic structure here of a HTML page for doc type and everything, and all the body tags and HTML tags. I've got the title there, so I'm just going to crack on just for saving time and get straight into this. Right, one of the rules of XHTML is that open and closing tags should be symmetrical. If you open one tag and then another, those tags should be closed in reverse order. So I'm going to type out a little example, some code to show you exactly what I mean. So first we want a P tag first, paragraph tag. Then I want a strong tag, which creates a bold effect. Then I'm going to have an M tag for gives a italic effect, then a site tag. So I'm going to create a link to my site. So do that now. So I want a ref and type the address out. So HTTP on / and we want the address, so www.web2design.com. I want to close that off and we just want to give that a name. See in the browser, so webdesign.com, and we'll just close that off. Right, now we're going to do the closing tag, so we'll close the site tag off, and then we'll close the M tag off, and we'll close the strong tag off, and finally the P tag. And as you can see, it's a perfect example. We've got our opening tags there, then in reverse we've got the closing tags. P tag and strong tag, M tag, site tag, and in reverse you've got closed off, and that's how it should be in the correct way. So just for now I'm just going to, I'll just show you an example of that in the browser actually. So I'll just open that in Chrome. Yes, I want to save them changes. There you have it there, there's an example of the effect there of the link. You can see it's bold and italic. So let's close that down for now. We'll just get rid of this, delete. So an inline element can never contain a block level element. As you saw in the previous example showed the perfect acceptable usage of an inline element that contained other inline elements. Now I'm going to turn it totally on its head and show you what you should never ever do. So I'm going to have to do some more code here, so I'm going to do a span. We want a class. I'm just going to call that fun, and then I'm going to close that off. I want a P tag, paragraph tag. And I've just got some text in this notepad here. I'm just going to copy this just for sake of time and paste that into there, and just saves typing it all out. Now we'll close them tags off, so we'll close the paragraph tag off and the span tag, and I'll just do a quick preview of that. And there's a preview of that example, and you might not think, you might say what's wrong with that, but I'm just going to explain that in a minute. So you might say, why is that wrong? Well, what we have here is an inline element, the span, wrapped around a block level element, the P tag. And this markup is totally invalid. If you tested it in a validator, you would see it would flash up that this is wrong. And the problem is often people don't appreciate the difference between block level and inline elements. It's a very important point, because these two element types are very different compatibilities with where CSS is concerned. So in other words, later on when you're styling your site, you would hit a lot of problems. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial, and I'll be back again soon with another one. Bye.